everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. First question. Who is the father of the Indian Navy? Answer is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was born in 1630 and died in 1680. He was built a strong naval Marathi military, the coastal area of Konkan and Goa to protecting from attacks of Siddhis and also sea trade to protect the sea trade. He was built very strong ships in Bhiwandi, Kalyan, and Goa cities. This is Bhiwandi, this is Kalyan region, this is Goa. Present Indian Navy, Western Naval Command, name is INS Angre. Actually, this name coined because in the memory of Maratha legendary admiral called Kanoji Angre. That's why INS Angre given to tribute to him, Kanoji Angre. Second one, who is the father of the Indian Air Force? Answer is Subrata Mukherjee. He was born in 1911 in Kolkata and died in 1960 Tokyo, Japan. He was the first Indian commander in chief of the Indian Air Force, and also in 1945 the British Empire ordered him to the Marshal. Third one, who is the father of the Indian Army? Answer is Springer Lawrence. He was born in 1697, died in 1775. He was worked as three Karnataka wars as a commander. His last battle in India, Battle of Golden Rock. Fourth one, who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Answer is Lord Dalhousie, and also he was known as Modern Indian Postal Service, father of Modern Indian Postal Service, because he was founded Modern Indian Postal Service in 1854. That's why we call him Modern Indian Postal Service father. Okay, coming to railways. Rail transport founded in 8th May 1845, but the first passenger rail ran on 16th April 1853 between Boribandar, Mumbai to Thane. The distance is 34 kilometers with 400 passengers with in 14 carriages with 3 locomotives. The names are Sahib, Sindh, Sultan. Fifth one, who is known as the father of surgery? Answer is Sushruta. I was lived 7th or 6th century BC in Varanasi beside the bank of Ganga, and also known as father of plastic surgery and also father of Indian medicine along with Charaka. He was wrote a treatise called Sushruta Samhita. This text was translated into English by G.D. Singal as the father of surgery. Actually, the book was written by Sushruta as Sushruta Samhita, but after that, G.D. Singal translated in English as the father of surgery. Sixth one, who is known as the father of Indian engineering? Answer is Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya. He was born in 1860 and died in 1962. He was honored with Indian highest civil award Bharata Ratna in 1955, and every year across the India celebrated Engineers Day on September 15th on his birthday. And recently in 2018, Google honored him, released his Google Doodle on his 158th birthday in 2018. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you one and all.